right, we are just about ready to pull out of this campsite, and I wanted to show you guys something. This is going to be a really short little video. I was watching a channel, and I actually found this channel because she's a subscriber of ours, and she wrote me a little message or wrote us a little comment, and she wanted to know if she could use a clip of our video in her video, and we were, you know, yes, of course you could. Her channel name is RVing Suze. So I went over and I was watching a couple of her videos, and she does what she calls Tuesday tips. And it was kind of funny because one of them was about carrying duct tape or carrying repair tape. And I want to show you here at this site what they used their tape here, their repair tape for. It's kind of funny. So they used their repair tape, someone did, on fixing the bench on the table.
I love it.
I was kind of out here looking to see what exactly they had, why they did it, and there's a hole in there.
Yeah.
So somebody decided, this was already kind of pulled up. It's weathered, and you know, it's been raining. And then some of the, oh, I see,
Yeah.
even over here, there's nothing right in here. So they just used their repair tape for that. But I thought it was kind of funny that I had watched that video, which was such a good video, and it makes a lot of sense. You should always carry some repair tape with you, because you never know when you're gonna find a picnic table that needs repairing, or other things that you really do need just a quick fix with some tape. So first, go over to RVing Suze, subscribe to her. She's building her channel, and I think it's going to be a great little channel. They're quick little videos, but her Tuesday tips are great. And tell us down below if you carry repair tape, and what's the funniest thing that you've ever repaired with it. So what's the funniest thing that you think we've ever used emergency repair, duct tape, 3M, what else do they call it?
Duct tape is what I call it.
Duct tape.
Well, remember when the
oh, Gorilla tape.
or Gorilla tape,
Yeah.
the vent on the truck camper, remember it all cracked?
Oh,
and
yeah.
I was able to fix that, and this was like a year and a half ago, and during whatever we were having going on, and I couldn't buy a part. I couldn't buy the lid.
Oh, that's right.
And I was able to take that and do it, and it held the lid for the whole time until we sold it. So
We also used a lot of Inso tape, which is also repair tape, to fix an entire back end of a camper when it got smashed.
that's very true.
So going down the highway, we looked like we were advertising for emergency repair tape.
Yeah, there was a lot of white tape crisscrossed, but it held the whole back end of that
It
camper
sure
together.
did. So like I said, go on over to RVing Suze, subscribe, help her build her channel, and let us know in the comments below what the funniest thing is, and if you do carry it, leave that comment down below. All right, mwah, love ya.